So I've been inspired by Mr. Eric Pollard, now on Season Equipped Skis and Snowboards. He posted a video about dyeing ski boots, which I've always wanted to do because I have a pair of white Scarpa Maestrale boots that have always irked me because I just don't like the white boots for whatever reason. And I've always thought, I could paint these or something. This video came out and I have to say it was a revelation. The fact that you can actually do this with Rit Dymore synthetic dye. And so what we're going to do is the exact same thing that Eric Pollard has done with his ski boots. I took my strap off, the connecting plate, and I'm going to be using Rit Dymore synthetic. I'm using the same thing that Eric Pollard did, which was graphite and then 2 frost grays, which I'm not sure if that's not going to be dark enough, but at this point it's going to be whatever it is. Those bottles of dye are like $10 each on Amazon or a local craft store, which is probably the better way of getting them. And we're going to put a bunch of boiling water that's boiling there. It's going to go in this bin / recycling compartment that we use. And then we're going to let it sit for 2 hours and then see if we get any dye of the white boot. We rubbed it down a little bit with some acetone. There's been some question about whether or not you need to put acetone in with the dye. There seems to be a lot of information on disc golf forums that people dye their frisbees, discs for disc golf. Some people say you only need the acetone for airbrushing. Other people say you need it. I think the majority of people seem to suggest you don't need acetone when you're dipping, which is what we're going to do. Basically, you're making a solution and then putting it in a bin. So that's what we're going to try, because that's what Eric Pollard did, and his boots looked pretty sweet after they came out. So we're going to try that, and we will show you the process. Come along. Here's the graphite going in. And then got 2 of the frost grays. A little middle. We've got a fire on because it's winter outside here in Canada. We're just trying to keep everything somewhat warm. I'm gonna wait 2 hours and then show you the results at the end. So this is the finished product, which looks purple. Although it does look darker in the light, maybe. But better than white. I don't mind it. I'm actually happy. So that's it. I'm gonna rinse it off and then go forward with life.